Hello guys, this is your host again Akshada from DHC New Homes, and as you can see, today we are here at Ghatkopar East, Pantnagar. Mohite Groups presents Marvel Tower. Talk about the structure of the tower, guys. This is your G plus 16 story tower. This is well planned and 1 plus 2 BHK, wherein you are getting this semi furnished residences. If I talk about the location, this falls in Ghatkopar. This is basically in Pantnagar, Ghatkopar East. So if I talk about the location benefits for this particular project, you have your Eastern Express Highway just at 2 minutes of distance. Then you got your BKC, BKC via SCLR, that is also at 10 minutes distance from this project. And again in your 10 minutes distance, you also have your Eastern Express Highway connecting from this location. It is connected to the western suburbs via Ghatkopar Versova metro also. So these are the location benefits if I talk about it. Let me also help you with the reservation and shopping and all other connectivity wise things. In your walkable distance from from your garden area, you have your YMCA club, and then you have your temples, your schools, colleges, your railway stations. Our city mall is very much in close distance with this particular location. In the next clip, I'll be helping you with the internal and the external amenities that these guys are providing you along with the project. So guys, if I talk about the external amenities that you're getting along with this project, you're getting your terrace garden. You have the well-equipped gymnasium provided with this project. You also have your kids play area along with the senior citizen zone. Then you also have a sitting area. So if I talk about the internal amenities, you have a semi-furnished modular kitchen attached in your flat, and then you also have complete bathroom fittings of good brands with along with a geyser. You also have an air conditioner in your living area. So guys, these are the internal amenities that you are getting along with this project. So we also discussed about some good connectivity USPs that you are maybe getting to experience with this luxurious project. So let us just go forward and roll the clip of our 2 BHK sample flat. So guys, let me just help you explore their beautiful, luxurious and very spacious 2 BHK 604 carpet. As you can see, I am standing right here in their entrance area. As soon as you enter in from here comes your beautiful foyer space. You have your security camera installed right here. They have placed a very beautiful mirror for showpiece, and on my right hand side you have a beautiful four-seater of dining area. Guys, let me just help you explore their spacious living space. As you can see, this is your sitting space, comes your center table along with some more sitting, and then you have your TV unit right there. And let me show you the kitchen space now. Just opposite to your dining area, you have your beautiful modular kitchen. This modular kitchen is going to be installed for you in your all-inclusive price. Comes in your sink area, enough place for your dry area. You can place your washing machine right here, and then you also have some space for your fridge unit right here. Just on the right hand side again, this is basically on the opposite sides. If you see, you have your common washroom right here. This is your common washroom along with the premium fittings installed, and you have your sink space right here. You can see. Let me show you the common bedroom, guys. This right here is going to be your common bedroom. You have a queen size bed, your side table, have your wardrobe space. Your TV unit can be placed here, some more storage space if you want to customize it as per your basic needs. And I forgot to basically include in the living room, you're getting the false ceiling in all the rooms, that is again included in your all-in price along with the modular kitchen. Come. So after the dining area on the opposite, you got your kitchen, and on the right again you have your master bedroom. Look at how spacious this master bedroom looks, guys. This right here is going to be your king size bed space. This is your king size bed, comes your side table, and then you have a ample amount of good space for your study table. Have a look. can definitely customize this. And you have this beautiful area which they have kept for your designs and showpiece. You have this beautiful wardrobe space. Again, this is like very much spacious. You can customize this place and make it your walk-in wardrobe if you want. Then you have your dressing area right here. Comes a beautiful dressing. And then since it's your master bedroom, you have your attached washroom along with this. You have this premium geyser already fitted along with all the, premium fittings which are already installed in your all-inclusive price. So guys, what are you waiting for? This is their 2 BHK 604 carpet.